Did you know that you can use direct variation to solve a real-world problem? Take a look at this dilemma. The Smith family is going on a car trip, and they need to figure out how much gasoline they're going to need. The Smith family's car gets 25 miles per gallon. So we can say that's 25 miles for every 1 gallon of gasoline. If they put in 15 gallons of gasoline, how far can they go? Let's set up a proportion and solve this problem. First, let's write the rate again over here. We have 25 miles for 1 gallon, and we want to know how many miles for 15 gallons. Notice that our units are the same. We have miles in the numerator, and we have gallons in the denominator. Now we can cross multiply and solve. 1 times x is x equals 25 times 15, which is 375. With this rate, the family can travel 375 miles on 15 gallons of gas. The family knows that for their trip, they're going to travel 500 miles. Based on the rate per gallon, how many gallons of gasoline are they going to need? The gallons is the question mark. Again, we can set up a proportion. We know that the car gets 25 miles for 1 gallon. The family is going to travel 500 miles, and we want to know how many gallons that they'll need. Notice that miles is still in the numerator and gallons is still in the denominator. Now let's cross multiply. 25 times x is 25x. 1 times 500 is 500. To solve for x, we're going to divide both sides by 25. Bring down the x, these cancel. 25 goes into 500 20 times. To travel this distance, the family is going to need to purchase 20 gallons of gasoline. Now what if it was $4.05 per gallon? Could you figure out the cost? Here's one more step. So we say it's $4.05 for 1 gallon equals how many gallons? 20 gallons, and we want to know the money. Notice this proportion has money here and gallons here. Again, we can cross multiply. 1 times x is x equals 405 times 20, which is $81. It will cost the family $81 in gasoline to go on their trip.